Gianna.
Bandit.
Andy.
And on Gianna's eye touch, she has this little big button box. So we're going to reenact them, okay?
Alright.
So I'm going to go first. It's the 4th of July. Let's go get some fireworks. Oh, God. We do that.
That didn't count.
Okay, that didn't count. Okay. So ready? Oh, Mommy, it's the 4th of July. Let's go hear some fireworks. What was that? Sweetheart, it was the fireworks. I want to get out of here. Scene.
Okay. We have to say scene after everyone.
Yeah. Okay.
What did you do to my app? One
No, sorry.
She's retarded. Loading.
Here, Bandit, I need to get Bandit out of here. It's going to take him a while to get out, though.
Bandit, no.
Go get it. Oh, sorry.
Go get it.
No, Gianna, just let him get it by himself. Sorry, guys. You don't have it. Bandit, it's right there. He'll go out. He'll go out. Okay,
Alright.
You good?
Alright, ready?
Sorry, guys. Look at your face. Here, Willie. Ready? Ready? Ah, my ears! My ears!
I was retarded.
You didn't say scene.
Oh, forgot. I said. It's my idea. It's a scene.
Okay, we got it.
I think the answer is B, butterfly. That is... What do you mean that's wrong? Butterflies are the only one in that category with wings, okay? Freaking ribbons don't have wings, blankets don't have wings, an iPod doesn't have wings, a butterfly has wings. What? And scene.
I see. Okay, so you with the buzzer swanny scream. Hi, I'm...
She didn't even use the thing.
Honey, is that my sister you're in bed with?
Oh my god!
Scene.
That's like the action thing. She's like,
Okay, get it.
oh. And scene. Bam!
Ready? I can't believe you. You're such a... What? I just said you're my boyfriend. You're such a boyfriend.
Idiot. I just said it for the face.
I just did the bleep.
Yeah! I got a pay raise and a promotion.
Scene.
And seeing it. Alright, well then I have a second one. There's also Big Button Box 2. So, we're going to also do that one.
It's loading.
Loading!
Crap! Look at you.
Oh, come on.
He's went on safari.
This one, I'm going to eat some crackers. Cracker Jackers. Dude, Bandit's still outside your door.
I know. Let's dance. It'll be okay. Do
Come on.
pumpkin. Later. Okay, ready? All right. Ready?
Action.
Ready? Sorry, guys. I just have to walk.
Fat mama.
See.
Welcome to Gianna Force concert. My guitar's slow. Scene.
Woo!
And we walk down this road.
Ready? I'm gonna bop you in the face. Let me do it.
Ow!
Fist bump. Superpower fist bump.
Jellyfish.
No, jellyfish is this.
Yeah,
Oh, no, jellyfish is... You don't hit it. Scene. Nails.
You have to do it for the right one, do the alien thing, and that was awesome. I'm in a parade. Please stop playing that. That's a ruckus. I don't care if it's a parade. Shut your freaking thing up. Whatever that is, a trumpet, a clarinet, I don't even know. Just shut it up. And see.
Okay.
Do the alien.
I'm going to go hunting. 500 coins. 500 coins. 500 coins. Now it's my time to go.
And seed.
I said there's a director here.
Oh, I love this one.
So far, it's been 6 minutes and 46 seconds.
Ow, I've fallen and I can't get up.
If you get animal crackers on your tongue.
Let me swallow. Okay.
Okay. Scene. That was mine.
Like. And see. Ow, ow. Ah.
Okay. I will finally get that pearl, and then I can rule the world. Are you laughing at me, punk? Well, I laugh at you.
Okay.
Sit. Scene. Oh my. Oh. I stopped the eye touch too. Laying down on my bed. Fred.
Setting. Night in Manhattan.
Bagel?
What?
I think, because this was Storm Manhattan Bagel.
Wife walks in the door. Babe, at work today, these girls were bragging so much. The one was like, I'm Sally, and I get all the boys at the club, and they all, like, love me. And then they don't like Patricia and all those other ugly, stupid girls. And I'm Patricia. Did you know that make me feel? We'll just stop listening to their... Can you just stop saying... And actually listen to my conversations? It's not just... You gotta pay attention and stop doing your... I'm just trying to help you with your... It's not mine. It's the other girls. Alright, well, that's too much. Then you should stop doing it then. Blah, blah, blah.
Don't fall in the hair scatters. Yeah, my dog got his head stuck in one of these. Ew! Wolverine knows that there.
Why are you looking at my nose? I'm just joking. I don't got porn in there.
Sure about that?
Do you mind? Are you like looking all the way like up here?
Okay.
I'm gonna catch it. Ready?
That's our video.
Let me see if I can catch it. Watch.
Fine. Don't hang up. She might have just cracked her eye. Doesn't even know it.
Oh my god, look, I just cracked a bed.
That's such a lie. You already bring that
I
in.
know.